Hello everyone, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, in a previous video, you have learned about introduction of GST. Today we will learn about configuration of GST. First step is define condition type under the T code OBYZ for each taxes. First of all, we will go to SAP and define condition type. Here we will run the T code OBYZ. Here you have to double click on condition type because we have to define first condition types. Here click on new entries, then give your condition type. First of all, I am giving TIG for Tata IGST. Then here you have to select, press F4 key, or you can directly type. You are defining first time, so I'll show you. We will select MWST for input taxes. Here you need to select, press F4 key, condition class. Here we will select D for taxes. Double click on D. Calculation type, press F4 key to see the list and select A for percentage. Here we will calculate in tax on percentage. This selection. After this, click on save. Like this, we will create condition type for next TSG, that is Tata SGST. Here again we will select MWST for input tax, input SGST. Then condition type select D, then calculation type is A. For next condition type TSG, then click on save. You can give any name as per your convenience. Next is TCG for Tata CGST. Then again select access sequence MWST for input, condition type D, and calculation type is calculation type A for percentage. Then click on save. Like this you can define condition types. Next step is create account keys under the T code OBCN for all taxes. Here, go to SAP, and run the T code OBCN to define keys. Click on new entries. Here you can give the name for your key. I am giving TIG. Then here you can give the whole description, Tata IGST. Here you can select your text type, press F4 key. Here you can select your text type. I am selecting for input taxes, so double click on 2. Here you need to select posting indicator, press F4 key. By mistake I pressed F3, so need to do again. Again go to new entries, give TIG, Then give description, Tata IGST. Text type is 2 for input. Posting indicator, press F4 key to see the list. Again, we need to select 2 for separate line items. Like this, you can select your settings, then click on save. Like this, we need to create for Tata SGST. Give the description, Tata SGST. Then again select text type is 2 for input and posting key 2 for separate line items. Then click on save. Next is for TCG. Any 3 character you can take for your keys. It is for Tata CGST. Again text type is 2 and posting indicator is 2. Then click on save. Like this, you can create keys. Account keys we have created, and we have created condition types. Next step is create check calculation procedure. Under the T code OBYZ. Here we need to create the procedure. Go to SAP. And here we need to run the T code. Again OB/N to get back. Then OBYZ. Here we need to define procedure, so we will double click on procedures. Then click on new entries. Then give name for your procedure. I am giving TAINTX for Tata Indian Tax. Then click on save. It is already exist. Like this, you have to define the procedure. After this, select your procedure. It is already exist in this system, so I am selecting from the position. Then give the name for your procedure. Here it is mentioned Tata Indian Tax. Select your procedure. Then double click on control. Here you need to define some settings. Click on new entries. Then give the number for your step. I am giving 10. Here you need to select condition type. Press F4 key. First we will select the base amount. Condition type for base amount. This one. This is standard one. BASB for base amount. Here you can give the description. Base amount. Then we will select the step 20. Again select your F4 key. Press F4 key. Then select your condition type. Now we will select which we have defined in the system now. We will find which we have defined. Here you can see we have defined this TCG Tata CGST, Tata IGST and Tata SGST. So one by one we will select it. First I am taking TCG. Here you can give the description Tata CGST. Here we need to define from which number this tax will be calculated. So I am giving here the number is 10, which I am defined here for on a base amount the tax should be calculated on a base amount 10. From 10 to 10 I am giving. Here we need to give account keys which we have created for this TCG. I am giving a same name TCG of account key also. Otherwise you can find from the pressing F4 key. Here you can find out your account keys which you have created. Here you can see TCG for Tata CGST, Tata IGST and Tata SGST. So double click on Tata CGST. Same we will define for a next condition type T SG Tata SGST. Again it will be calculated on base amount. So I am giving 10. Then here you need to give account keys Tata SGST TSG. Next word 40 Tata IGST. It again calculate on base amount. So I am giving 10 because I have defined here 10 number for base amount. Here we need to give account keys TIG for Tata IGST. Like this you have to define the configuration. It is a backend configuration. It is very mandatory step. So listen very carefully. You need to define like this. Then click on save. Next step is assign country to calculation procedure. Now the procedure which we have defined we need to assign. We will get back to SAP. /n to get back. Now we will assign the country to this procedure by the T code OBBG. Run the T code OBBG, then enter. Here select IN for India. In front of your city you need to define the procedure name which you have defined IN TAX. You need to define your tax procedure which you have defined. What is our tax procedure? TAIN TX. This we have defined now. Then click on save. Select your request chapter. Then click on continue. Next step is this much you have completed. Next step is define tax codes for sales and purchases under the T code FTXP. In the next video, we will continue from this GST configuration. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.